Yara saw the coin on the table, and then it was gone.
Where was the missing coin? Write your guess in one English sentence. On Saturday morning, the market was full of small sounds. Shoes moved on stone. Bags opened and closed. People said hello. Yara stood behind her pottery table. Green cups, blue plates, and white bowls shone in the sun.
Good morning. Please look slowly.
A child dropped a paper flower near the table. Yara picked it up before the wind took it.
Here you are.
The child smiled and ran back to her mother. Then a man came to the table.
How much is this green cup?
1 pound.
I like it.
He held the cup in both hands. Yara smiled.
It is strong, but please hold it carefully.
The man put 1 coin on the table. Yara saw it clearly. The coin was next to the green cup. Then a wind moved across the market. The brown paper lifted. 1 corner folded over. The green cup moved a little. Yara held the cup before it could fall.
It is safe. Good.
Yara wrapped the cup in the brown paper. The man reached for it.
1 moment, please. I need the coin.
I paid.
Yes, I saw the coin, but I do not see it now.
I put it there.
He pointed to the table. The table looked empty. Mr. Bell looked over from the flower stall. Maybe it is on the floor. Yara looked down. She moved the box. She moved the cloth. There was no coin.
I cannot pay 2 times.
I am not asking you to pay 2 times. I only need to know where the coin is.
2 people stopped near the table. Yara felt hot in her face.
We know he paid. The question is where the coin went.
Yara was thankful for the calm voice. She looked at the wrapped cup again. The paper was thick on one side.
This side feels heavy.
It is only paper.
Yara lifted the cup a little. A tiny sound came from under it. Ping.
Stop. I heard something.
Everyone became quiet. Yara opened the brown paper slowly. The green cup was inside. It was safe. Under the cup, inside the folded paper, something shone. Ah, there! Yara lifted the paper. The coin rolled onto the table. Ping.
Oh boy.
The customer looked at Yara.
I am sorry. You saw it. You were right.
Thank you.
The wind folded the paper over the coin.
And the cup sat on top.
Yara put the coin safely into her small box. Then she wrapped the cup again.
Here is your cup.
Thank you.
The market sound came back. Shoes moved on stone. Bags opened and closed.
Yara breathed slowly.
Now, I put the coin in the box first.
A good new rule.
The answer was this. The coin was inside the folded paper, under the cup. Yara saw the coin, and the tiny ping helped everyone find it. Were you right? Write one English sentence in the comments.
Now, listen to useful words from the story. Coin.
A coin is small money.
Fold. To fold means to bend paper or cloth.
Ah. Sound. A sound is something you hear. Ah. Now repeat. I saw the coin. The paper felt heavy. I heard a sound. The coin was under the cup. Ah. Quick practice. Question 1. What did the customer buy? Question 2. What moved the paper? Question 3. When should Yara put the coin in the box? If you like Yara and her pottery, you can also watch the Story Bridge story where she hides a cup she made. Why did a stranger want it? Yara listened to one tiny sound. Listening carefully is also good English practice. The links in the description can help you practice after the video. New slow English stories arrive every week. Subscribe so the new stories are easy to find.